'tis evening, from toil my friends hie o'er, and weary walk home o'er the dew-spangled lea. The shepherd in love tunes his grief-soothing viol, or visits the maid who his partner shall be. The blithe milkmaid trips to the herd that stands lowing. The west richly smiles and the landscape is glowing. The sad-sounding curfew and torrent fast-flowing are heard by my fancy, though far at sea. What has my eye seen since I left the green valleys, but ships as remote as the horizon could be? Unwieldy, huge monsters as ugly as malice, and fragments of wreckage that sorrow me. What is seen but the foul urging lonely flight, the lightning that darts through the surge in the night, and the dark scowling sky with its bitter rain's might on this cheek where care sits drooping, far, far at sea. How hideous the hold is, here children are screaming, their women faint babes in their arms as they plead. Here down every hatch the great breakers are streaming, and there with a crash half the fixtures break free. Some quarrel, some curse, some sit dull tales telling, the mates drunk and raging, the sailors all yelling. What sickness and sorrow pervade my rough dwelling, a vast floating laser house far, far at sea. How changed all may be when I seek the sweet village. A hedgerow may bloom where its street used to be. The floors of my friends may be furrowed by tillage, and the upstart now served by the fallen grandee. The axe may have felled the old grove that I haunted, and shadows be shelter where none yet were planted, nor one friend remain who once shared what we wanted, the sociable sufferer far, far at sea. In Ireland 'tis night on the flowers of my setting, a parent may kneel softly praying for me. The village lies smokeless, the red moon is getting that hill for a throne I still hope yet to see. If innocence thrives, many more must grieve for. Success slow but certain I'll live and believe for. Yes, Sylvia will meet and your sigh cease to heave for the swain your fair image haunts far, far at sea.